पड़वैया तो कन्या उड़ उड़ बैठी पड़वैया तो कन्या आए वीरा के सब रस ले लियो रे पिंजरे वाली दुनिया वीरा के सब रस ले लियो रे पिंजरे वाली दुनिया चलन मुसाफिर मोह लियो रे पिंजरे वाली दुनिया चलन मुसाफिर मोह लियो रे हलवैया दुकनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी हलवैया दुकनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी हलवैया दुकनिया आहे स्वर्ग के सब रस ले लियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया स्वर्ग के सब रस ले लियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोलियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया मुसाफिर मोलियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी बजजवा दुकनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी बजजवा दुकनिया उड़ उड़ बैठी बजजवा दुकनिया आहे कपड़ा के सब रस ले लियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया कपड़ा के सब रस ले लियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोलियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया चलत मुसाफिर मोलियो रे पिंजरे वाली वन ऑन हाई पिच चलत मुसाफिर मोलियो रे पिंजरे वाली मुनिया बदन चुराए चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए साँझ दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें घर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें घर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए कभी तो ये दिल कहीं मिल नहीं पाते कहीं से निकल आए जन्म के नाते कभी तो ये दिल कहीं मिल नहीं पाते कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते घनी थी उलझन बैरी अपना मन अपना ही होके सहे दर्द पर आए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए साँझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान किसी का दर्द
Energy was fine.
पैंट ठीक रखने का
ठीक है अभी आप यूनिफाइड है कि
You want a genuine answer? You want a politically correct answer?
But I'm saying now maybe the my 11th was
touch में रहेंगे टच में रहेंगे you can do it today
हमारी एज के लोगों को आज के ज़माने में देते भी हम
After that, the problem was the fraud and then it was the so then the coordinators were chosen and competition was created that who gets all the members of course. And I think it was Rajesh Gupta who got involved and brought in all his members and data about all his members.
आलोक शर्मा ये हमारे भी तो सब आया
And next was Alok Sharan. Sandeep Kumar and Alok Sharan, both were journalists, both had bigger responsibility of full B and C top. In fact, Bharat Kalyanpur outsourced his data to Pinaki. Where is Pinaki? Yes. So, then they were... Ramki. The top was Ramki. BC top, Pino. Then F bot was... E bot was... GP Singh. Then other responsibilities were handed over. Anadi was given the responsibility to take care of all the travel related things from Delhi, etc. and coordinate other. And back is those came close to both Anadi and Sabir were planning it in detail.
So, just to break him in kind of.
And then the amnesty was collected. So the amnesty was very nice.
अब तो क्लोजअप ही कर लो तुम लोग
very basic down to 1,000 bucks a
In fact, that's what they do say. Your notes are अच्छे दिख रहे
नहीं आ रहा मुझे
कहीं से भी ढूंढ के आ जाते हो
Rajesh Gupta Rajesh Gupta.
Bunty Bhaiya, can we have your phone safe, please?
वो है ना हाथ देखो सुरेंद्र शर्मा उसका है। अरे ये तो हमने कहा हाँ इसके लिए सही है।
वीडियो इसका लेफ्ट को वीडियो
I swear that काम नहीं बिगाड़ना।
And it's something which is all the builders are studying because who visit MEP book and mechanical engineering all the rock and how to do all that. It's like a engineering marvel.
Yes. Can I have Kapil Dev Arjani, Chanel, and Abhilash here? Hello, Mohit. This is Mohit, who has been working very hard for last 3-4 days, making this a success. And Sanil. Thanks a lot for all the help that you guys have given us. Good.
Thank you.
Anurag. Atul. Thanks for being. You are a great roommate. Now, Anurag has to make some announcement.
Hello, batchmates. We have a very important announcement. Please come up. Please come up.
What to? There were 6 of us.
Can you please ask people from behind to come in the front?
One of the cool things was that, like for example, my sister lives in Wales. Vinny, you mind having a photograph with kids? Oh yeah, that's
तो आप अभी यहाँ से टैक्सी लेंगे तो बिरयानी है
And I think we have started some of the things. Last count has been in the race 1 to 2 crores. So I would encourage all of
समझो उसे प्यार हो गया प्यारे दिल करे हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा। बत्तियां बुझा दो, अरे बत्ती तो बुझा दो बत्तियां बुझा दो के नींद नहीं आती है, बत्तियां बुझाने से भी नींद नहीं आएगी। बत्तियां बुझाने वाली जाने कब आएगी। शोर ना मचाओ वरना भाभी जाग जाएगी। इस मोड़ पे हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा। प्यार हमें इस मोड़ पे ले आया कि दिल करे हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा। हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा। प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा। ऐसी है मजबूरी मिल गए दिल तोड़ती है ये दूरी। और दम है तो उनको छीन के ले आएंगे। जीना घर वालों ने अगर मंजूरी। दम है तो उनको छीन के ले आएंगे। किस मोड़ पे ले आया कि दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा। प्यार हमें इस मोड़ पे ले आया कि दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा।
फोटो ले रहे मैं तो हट गया।
याद है
But maybe there's a good market for it. Good French engineers. But they are IS. Me and my family. That's something not going to go in. I see. Okay. I mean, it's one of those. Job here that you get and the person you we don't have one room. Each room is only around 50 students. Right. We need 20 classes.
हल्का जाम आइए आपकी आंखों के नाम
16 people in a room which was like 10 feet wide by like 15 feet long, set up in a U.
And I found next only myself want to go, but he teaches.
Professor Emeritus status or something like that? Nothing like that? Yeah, okay.
तुमने घर फाइनली शिफ्ट नहीं किया ना? तुम लोग वहीं रहो और क्या करो?
He was almost on the board. I mean, he was one of the CEO contenders.
Math is like only remaining pure science. जैसे मैं मैथ की क्लास में भी जो कोर्सेज भी करता था अलग एटमॉस्फेयर प्रोफेसर भी अलग होता
हर्षो भी बुला लें
सचेरे यार
मैंने पूछा अभी हो गया तब तो
शाम से बता रहे हैं अपने शाम से
is signing up. I'll talk to you.
You will get the certificate from founder.
Okay.
Do the funds which are contributed in the foundation come to IITK?
Every 3 months.
Okay.
Every 3 months. And the accounts are presented every year in California in June. So the foundation keeps the money there. They only send us the interest.
And you know, there was a link which said IITK 89 batch,
Yeah.
JR,
Yeah.
the one which Vineet Gupta sent out.
Yeah.
And you know, I used that successfully. So I'm hoping that it will be pooled with all the
Yes, yes.
SJR.
I said if you are not able to connect to the link, then please catch Vivek, Anurag, or whoever you think are the batch coordinators. Okay, and then we'll get together. We'll talk to Shum Mukherjee. Shumanto Mukherjee is the CFO of IITK Foundation in California, and Anand Jagannathan, with whom I have played tennis in the 70s. He is the president right now of IITK Foundation. So Shum, Anand and I, we talk every month. We have a conference call. Every month we discuss fund activities and what alumni want, what we are able to do. So every month we have a conference call with IITK Foundation. So that is, I believe, the easiest way to get it. Now, if you don't have a consensus as to what project you want, then there is something called annual general fund, where minimum is 1,000 rupees or $100. And you can, and yesterday I saw, after the mail which went from foundation, within 24 hours I had some 25 hits on it, like $100 to $500. So they go into the annual general fund, And this fund is operated by the director, the dean, the finance officer, 2 alumni nominated by the board, and 2 chartered accountants. So this is where you feel that, okay, I am giving to general fund, who runs it and how it is run every year. An audited report is available and it is put on the web. So for 2012, you can see it on the web. If you ask me, I will send you the link. So everything is transparent. But if you want, okay, I want to start a scholarship in the name of my grandmother, fine. You donate it to ITK Foundation, the mail comes to me, and we open an account in the name of your grandmother and the money goes from there. So we have several accounts within the system, but outside there is only one account, which gives you the tax certificate, okay, in India, in 18. Yeah.
If I want to donate some money to a music club here.
Yes, you donate it to ITK or to foundation if you are in US. Send me a mail that this money is targeted for music club. I will transfer it to their account. The music club also has an account under Dean of Students. So there is an auto club, there is a music club, there is a aero modeling club, there is a dance club, there is opportunity school, there is campus school. People send money. But if you don't send me the email, I would not know why it is used.
Can I get a list of all, all the options?
Yes, it is on the website, but I will send you the link.
You can send it to Anurag or somebody. I can.
Maybe that 5-slide PowerPoint, if you can share it with Anurag and Vivek.
I have a PowerPoint here, which I will send it to Vivek and Anurag, and then you can send it to your e-group. It's only 5 slides. Where what are the things which are going on?
Very important.
And what are the things which we think are important?
So Dr. Mishri, one last thing. Our batch has a lot of people have expressed interest in participating in some way in managing the money we contribute. So what are the processes and what are the precedents?
If you have any ideas on how to manage the funds. Now, funds are managed as per government rules, unfortunately. That means we cannot invest in mutual funds, we cannot invest in stocks. It has to be nationalized banks, and we send a request to each bank, and every month we try to roll over our corpus. See, the money is divided.
The question was more around Veer was mentioning the library. So how do you channel?
You just say that our funds are for library. So I will open an account for library. The project investigator will be the librarian, and every year he will submit a report on the accounts and it will go to the bank. So every year I sign these unaudited reports which go to the audit officer. All the funds are audited, okay, as per government. And if there is a discrepancy, then we inform the donor that we could not spend this money because of this problem. So either there are 2-3 donors who are very upset that I could not spend them. Well, I have to go as per government rules. So we try to talk to the donor, ask if he nearby how to go around the government.
Can we do the other way around? Can we find out if the library project can take off and then raise the fund?
See, again, I have to ask the library.
Because the problem is that I don't want to raise a huge amount of money and then everybody is going to contribute for that project. And then that project doesn't take off.
See, my batch raised for something, and then they found they could not use it. So I found this summer undergraduate fellowship.
I know, but I mean, lot
and
of
we changed. It took 6 months.
But I'm thinking that might not be what they desire, right?
So on both sides, when I go to the librarian, he's the government officer. He says, why should I work? He says, how much money is there? Then I will form it. I have faced this course, exactly what.
So how about this? We can make a commitment.
In opportunity school, for example.
We can make a commitment and then...
So you make a commitment, and then I will circulate, and if the librarian says, yes, I am able to do it.
Then we can fund.
So for example, opportunity school is very popular. It's meant for underprivileged. So the account is already there, and there is a faculty member who is actually in charge of that, and he personally sends mails to all the donors, and I don't have to do anything. I keep getting the funds for opportunities. Similarly for Vivekanand Center, there are donors who send for Vivekanand Center. So you can just, but then I have to be informed. The email must say that I have sent funds on this date, these are meant for Vivekanand Center. So our office will just put them in the right basket.
We get a confirmation receipt that it has.
Yeah, you get. Sometimes people get upset that they don't get confirmation receipt. Well, I know that is an issue because if you are in US, it has to go from California. So although the money is meant for us, then I have to call Shum and Shum says, okay, I will take care of it. It takes 3-4 days. That it should be. If it comes to us, somebody wants a tax certificate, then you have to wait till the end of March. That is the story. So that is all I had to say about how to do it. And then I will send the PPT where I am saying which project is what we feel is a student exchange program. And we need a corpus, big corpus, around $1.5 million. If you want to target 100 students, I already have money for 15. From 15 we want to go to 17, 20, 25. So that is one thing where you can think of. Several batches have to be. Or I have to get some big individual, okay. So that is the target.
So you need $15,000 per student?
Per student. So because the corpus, so 1,500 every year means $15,000 is the corpus.
So we can all maybe.
So my batch is saying that if we collect more money, instead of search, they may want to fund this one. So I'm dealing with my batch and I'm just trying to give an example. So these are the two items. Okay?
question of what.
Who's here filling in for him. Thank you, Professor Srivastava, for being here. And I'd like you to say a few words because you didn't meet this batch in the earlier days.
Yeah, I'm sorry for 2 days I was not here. Then I thought that at least on the last day, I should welcome you and as well as say, not goodbye, but wish you a happy return journey. Well, this batch is quite important to me because 88 November I joined, and this batch was the launching pad for me to start my teaching activity. And I remember Anirudh is there, he's laughing. He was in my class, and it was a small class, it was an elective course, and I was learning how to teach, and they were trying to teach me how to adapt to IIT Kanpur system. So I must thank the batch allowing me to play with you and also shape up my career in this institute. Well, I would like to welcome your family members as well. And I have been told that this time we got maximum strength out of all Silver Jubilee reunion we had in the past. So congratulations to Dr. Sudhir Misra and his team and also all of you. I must thank
And to Vivek, sir.
and Vivek Modi. Yeah. So, yeah, I am from electrical, so I know him. To renew your memories in the institute, and since we are in the phase of certain changes which we are trying to bring to meet various challenges like the increased student strength, increased emphasis on the postgraduate research. And so we will need the help and guidance from all the stakeholders, and the alumni being the most important one. I'm sure that we'll get your cooperation in the future, and we would like to see you soon in this campus again. Please come with your family and spend more time, free time, so that we can discuss our old, time which we spent with you, and also the new things which we are planning. So thank you very much, and I also wish you and your family a very happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you.
Call out the names, and there is a small gift that we put together for you for taking back into add to your baggage, but please bear with that. And I think Vivek is going to use this opportunity to also give the annual book or of what they've put together for the batch. Vivek.
Before I start distributing the annual books, etc., I just want to tell everyone about the unique feature of this batch, which many of you are aware, but again I want to reiterate in this place. We had Sri Jadhav, who renounced the world and has taken on spiritual lines. So he could not come here because of health reasons, but he has been doing a wonderful job with Ramkrishna Paramahansa Mission. And we have Alok Agrawal, who has given a promising career to support the cause of tribals in Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan. Alok Agrawal is with us today. Then we have, from our batch, we had R.K. Mishra, who was the first winner of Times Lead India Award, and has subsequently taken on the onerous task of mass mobilization at grassroots via his political outfit called Nav Bharat Democratic Party. So he's going full-time to politics. Amitabh Thakur deserves a special mention for taking on the anti-corruption plank in the state of UP, for which he has suffered in his bureaucratic career as well. So he has been doing a lot of activities on RTI and those fronts, and has been doing a wonderful job on anti-corruption. And he is also not here. We also have classmates who have made it to the faculty of Ivy League universities. Sanjay Sharma, who is professor in MIT and is also an inventor of RFID technology. We have Rohit Verma here. Sanjay Sharma did not come. We have Rohit Verma here, who is professor in Cornell. We also have Rajat Mittal, who is in Johns Hopkins University and is in Aero department, professor in Aero, who has been applying fluid dynamics to different aspects of life, like swimming, etc., and been doing wonderful job. He's also not here. Then this is again the only batch, to my knowledge, which has contributed to toppers in civil services exam. Sanjay Malhotra, who topped in 1990, and Anirudh Mukherjee, who topped in 1993. Sanjay Malhotra is not here, Anirudh Mukherjee is here. We have other people also who have been doing interesting work. Dhruv Pant has been doing excellent work in cancer research. And then to end it all, the excitement in the batch about coming back to this to institute for their 25th reunion, as sir has mentioned, this is a batch which came in the largest numbers, and the journey has just begun. I'm quite sure that this batch is going to make a difference to the institute. That is what we have decided on our. We will try to finish it. Okay, those who are leaving early, they can come forward. We'll go roll number wise. Shalabh Chandra. Shalabh Chandra. He was 84225. Shalabh Chandra. Abhiram Bhattacharya.
अच्छा मैं लेने जाऊंगा तो फोटो ले लेना कौन ले रहा है
Adnan Aziz. Adnan Aziz.
Another faculty member.
Another faculty member. Adnan is here. Okay. Ajay Chauhan. Ajay Chauhan. Alok Agrawal. Alok Agrawal.
नहीं है भैया निकल पड़ा ये हो गया खाली कल डिले
Alok Jha. Alok Jha. Alok Kumar Oja. Alok Jha. Alok Kumar Oja. Alok Sharan.
Alok Sharan.
Left. Alpan Rawal.
Left.
Number of it. Anadi Dixit. Anirudh Mukherjee.
Anadi. Go Anirudh. Anirudh, yeah. Civil services topper.
Anupam Agnihotri.
Another topper.
Anurag Best.
He
He's an inspiration to us in studies.
अनुराग मिश्र
इसका नॉमिनेट किया गया था.
अच्छा प्रकाश अरुण कुमार त्रिपाठी
एक हफ्ता और रहेगा यहाँ पर 500 का बंदा.
आशीष कुमार आशीष कुमार आशीष कुमार आशीष बैठी आशीष दास आशीष सिंगरू आशीष सिंगरू
She's my favorite. पहले लेकर आना.
अतुल दीक्षित अतुल दीक्षित अतुल दीक्षित
हमारे पापा जी ना
अतुल गर्ग
40 साल पहले बता दो ना.
अतुल कुमार
40 साल पहले मछली लेकर हमारा भाई भी तुम्हारे उससे बड़ा. भगवान ने एक ही ठप्पा बनाया है इसमें.
अविनाश कुमार
जी ठप्पे मोल्ड एक ही है. लेकर देखो तो
अविनाश कुमार अविनाश गौतम ये वंशीधर मूर्ति
फोटो 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 लिए
भरत कल्याणपुर चित्रों ने होगी
आवाज बोल दे हो जाएगा कैसे मुझे ठीक है समोसा खिलाया समोसा है
देवेंद्र शाह देवेंद्र शाह ध्रुव पंत दीपेंद्र सेठ he came late. Depends it. Sorry, your name Gaurav Mathur.
मिले थे
जीके सिंह
बुला के अपने मैं भोपाल में आ गया
जीके सिंह
8 साल बुला
जीपी सिंह
अच्छा बता दिया जब मैं जब जवान के बारे में जैसे वैसे बात करते मैं उनका दोस्त मैं उनको दोस्तों में
Kotra, Ankit Kotra.
हाँ टाइम लगेगा
हरप्रीत सिंह क्वात्रा, हर्ष विनायक, अली हुसैन हुसैनी, आई राम कुमार,
नवीन गुप्ता आ जाओ।
But Reena ji, I stood by him publicly. बताया होगा आपने अजय को। मेरे को
जयंत कुमार झा, जोगिंदर सिंह मरवा, जोगिंदर
मैंने तो सपोर्ट किया ना।
चंदुका, कैलाश कुमार चंदुका, कपिल कपूर, मुरली कृष्णा,
मुरली कृष्णा लेफ्ट,
मुरली कृष्णा, गोपाल कृष्णा, गोपाल, श्रीकांत अय्यर,
मुझे वैसा गॉगल चाहिए।
ललित पंत,
अतुल तुम्हें तो अपना गॉगल देने यार, गॉगल ले लो आपको। देखो देखो शूट कर रहा है।
महेश गोयल,
नहीं चला
मंगल देव,
मंजीधर ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया।
मंगल देव,
शूट नहीं किया मेरे पर्सनालिटी में।
मनीष टंडन, मनोज कुमार अग्रवाल, नटराज शर्मा, नवदीप सूद, नवीन गुप्ता, अरे का नाम दिख ही नहीं रहा मुझे यार, क्या बताऊं? मनोज कुमार श्रीवास्तव, निकेश चंद्रा, नीलमणि, नीरज प्रसाद, निर्मल जजरिया, नितिन वैद्य,
नहीं दिया ईयरबुक कान में,
पंकज गुप्ता, पिनाकी रंजन दास,
बोला था मेरे को कि सब मेल होगा। इतना बड़ा फोटो तुमको मंगा ही नहीं। मैं देखी क्या
Is my name called? Second round.
Those of you who had not Pratik Pant, Praveen Goyal, Praveen Agarwal, Praveen Kumar Agarwal, Praveen Kumar, Praveen Kumar, Puneet Saxena, Rahul Singh, Rajiv Kumar Goyal, Rajiv Goyal, Rajiv Rao, R.K. Mishra, Rajesh Gupta, And Rajesh Gupta, once again, thanks to you for great food that you organized for us. Rajesh Kumar, Rajiv Datta, Rajiv Verma,
राहुल सिंह की उर्दू में नहीं है विवेक
Rajiv Joshi,
कलकत्ता में जाने में कलकत्ता में यही हाल है बाहर वाले
Rajnish Srivastava, Raj Shekhar, Ratndeep Joshi, Rohit Agrawal,
कहाँ पे पार्क किया
Rohit Verma, Ajit Narayan, Ravi Kumar, R. Ravi Kumar,
left.
Safi Osmani, Sandeep Gupta, Sandeep Kumar, Sanjay Subhas, Sanjay Tripathi, Sanjay Kumar, Saurabh Goyal, सौरभ कुमार, शंकर दास मेहता, शरद मेहरोत्रा, शशि भूषण पांडे, शशि भूषण पांडे, समन्वय घोष, श्रीनाथ, सुधीर कुमार झा, सुगातो बासु, yes, gone. सुनील पंथैया, सुराजित बासु, सुरंजन प्रमाणिक, सूर्यकांत ब्रह्मा, असद जैदी, श्रीराम सुंदराजन, विज्ञान सिंघल, विजय शास्त्री, विकास जुनेजा, विनीत गुप्ता, विनोद पेरेस, वाई सीताराम, धीरज गुप्ता,
अंशु को बुलाते हैं।
We need Joshi, he has left. We need to raise him to Anshu Agrawal. याद दीजिए तो ग्रुप मेरे चेहरे पर है। हाँ नवीन बेटे ने तो बेटे का टी-शर्ट बड़ा
Thank you, Professor Srivastava. Thanks, Vivek, for putting in the effort. Thank you all. Please do join us for lunch. And let me give you a quiz, ask a question here. Who was the deputy director when you graduated in '89? So please welcome the deputy director of that time, Professor Shikilal is here. I thought I saw him. Professor Vijay Gupta was there. I saw Professor Sarvesh Chandra from Civil Engineering here. So, okay, please do join us for lunch.